No muerde. No muerde out. Mami. Pulgo se mueve como animals are out. Mom,
Look at a pony.
Mom, there's someone right there. Mom, look who's there. Who's that?
Oh, he's sad.
Yeah, because no one feeding him. Mommy, no one feeding him. That's why he's sad.
What's in here? Wait, what's in here? Ryan, do you see it here?
Turkey, Mommy. Chicken.
No, reptile. That's fake, you know that? On the floor. They're in cages. Frog. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Bearded dragon.
Oh my gosh.
Those are bearded dragons. You have to like keep your
It's
head.
looking at me.
What's looking at
That. I know what's in there.
How are you guys?
someone over here stressed out?
Yeah, that's a snake. You know why the other one is sad? Mommy. Mom, can we go swim? Mom, Mommy, I want to go swim.
Look at the fish. Hi.
Mom, look who's there. Mom, they're ready.
Look at these two big ones there. Los puerquitos, the pig. Those are big. Look at the big llama over there.
Welcome to evening.
머리 감고 가지 마. 맞았어. 땡큐. 맞았어.
What are you not endangered at all?
Wanna go see the chicken,
You
Mila?
don't need any
Oh, she sees a snake. Let's see a snake.
What are the
Mommy.
basically very few predators.
You want to go touch it? Right?
He does have a defense mechanism. He can feel my fingertip touching his shell like this. He has a very sensitive shell, and should say I don't know, a lion, something try to eat this guy, he would just tuck everything in tight as he can, and they couldn't get at
You
him.
want to go
So
touch it?
basically, there are very few
The
predators
turtle?
that bother these guys.
Not the head, only the side.
In the wintertime, this guy goes down to Beverly. He lives with Mike of Rainforest Reptiles. Mike has a big desert habitat. Have you seen our other tortoises on the hillside over there? Right over there. See that red sign on the hill? There's 25 of these.
Oh, wow.
Every one of those over there is a rescue. Mike went all over New England rescuing those. People buy these and they don't realize they live for 100 years. They have them for 10, 20 years, and instead of doing the right thing.
Do we need to go inside, Mommy?
They're getting everyone out.
Do we need to go inside? Huh?
No, first, she said they're going to call us when they're ready to let us in.
The one with the collar. What? Sorry, good. Okay.
No, I said do we need to go in when she calls us?
Come on, buddy, wait. We're going to the sheep.
win, Mommy? I'm asking you. Yes?
Yes.
I'm not gonna do it.
All right, my friends, you guys can come on in and help. Yay! Yay!
Who's coming in?
Yay!
You want to go, Riley? Are you coming in, Rihanna? You're not coming in?
Yeah, that's how you get warmed up. Wow!
Hold the papa. Hold the papa. Good girl. Wow. You're the big girl. Okay. Good girl. Oh, she's.
Hey, and I don't think you should. I think you're just gonna watch, okay, honey? Because you're allergic to milk.
Whoa, she's hungry. Yeah. Be careful. Yeah, you better step away. Blake, step away from. She's gonna pull the bottle out. So we need to. You have to grab one of the Aubrey, I see you.
So this week, you know, it's kind of warmed up. This is so
Is that one good? Yeah. What do you mean good? Like, yeah.
They get like full grown, it turns more like shagginess instead of fuzz. You want to help me, bud? Put your hands right where they fit. I guess I'll maybe hold them now.
Well, the really, really young ones tend to drink it super slow. Like the month-old drink it, and she's, I think, one of the oldest in here. And also, she's just always been kind of like, she's always like, now, she's the one that like gets like very excited.
and we slowly transition them on to.
She wants more? This is how we like birth them, essentially.
This is like added.
If we were distracted or something, we would just try to steal the bottles from the other baby.
An equivalent to what the
You gotta stop bumping at me though. You're really freaking it with me today. And calm down. There you go.
You're too big for that, Ryan. You look so big for that.
I want to go on that one, Mommy.
There was two girls there. They were 3 ponies earlier, but I don't know what happened.
Mommy, look it. I want to go on that one over there.
Oh, yes. So how to climb out? Scary.
Someone's flashing her hand. Come.
Find him.
There's Ryan.
Here he comes.
Oh, guys. I'm about to go ride the pony now.
Hey, Ryan.
Ryan doesn't do nothing, so I'm really gonna ride it.
Hi, Riley.
Hey!
Oops.
Ready, go to me. No. I'm going third. You're going third?
Yeah, she's going first.
You're going first.
But she's the baby, so after Ryan goes Rihanna and then the baby.
I'm going first. What? What did you see like?
Lean in the dirt.
There he comes.
Oh, I'm not. I'm a little addicted.
Why did he walk slow? Ma, why did they go like this?
I'm gonna go another game.
Do you want to wait for everybody or no?
I know. Look, baby. Baby, look.
I cannot even pet it. I want to pet it, but I can't.
Yes, you can. You can pet it.
Daddy! Daddy! Mommy, I like that one.
Like a unicorn? How old is the horse? The pony? How old can they get?
About 30 to 40 years.
Oh my.
And actually, the big one in the middle,
Mm-hmm.
he is 7 years old. He's very young. He's very tall.
Daddy!
Thank
Now,
you. Go
Mom,
in,
are you
baby.
sitting on the phone?
No, go in. Go in.
Put on the helmet first.
I want you to sit on
Okay,
it.
yeah, go ahead.
Take this and go step over in the back, okay?
And just the same thing, just walk next to
Okay.
the shoulder.
Where are we going now?
To a chipmunk. A chipmunk, Mom. So we're gonna go somewhere where there's lots of water. So we need to go follow this trail.
Keep doing it. There you go. Good job, girls. Touch it. Touch the one Brianna's doing. It's probably very fresh water in this heat.
Go see my book how it is, Bobby.
Is it full already?
That's a camel.
Mom,